In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Shopify. To begin, log into your HubSpot dashboard. Make sure you are signed into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one business or workspace. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the top right navigation bar and look for the Marketplace icon. It looks like a small shopping bag. Click on that icon, then choose App Marketplace from the menu. This will take you to HubSpot's app directory, where you can search for tools and integrations that connect with your account. In the search bar, type Shopify. From the results, select the official Shopify integration by HubSpot. It is important to choose the official integration so the connection is set up properly and you have access to the expected sync features between both platforms. After opening the integration page, click Install App. This starts the setup process and opens a pop-up window asking for your Shopify store's primary URL. Enter your store URL carefully, since this is what HubSpot uses to locate the correct Shopify account. A small typo here can slow down the setup, so it is a good idea to double-check the address before continuing. Once the URL is entered, click Connect to Shopify. You will then be redirected to a screen inside Shopify. This is the authorization step, where Shopify asks you to confirm that you want HubSpot to access your store data. Review the permissions shown on screen so you understand what will be shared between the two platforms. When you are ready, click Install App inside Shopify to authorize the connection. This final confirmation links your HubSpot account with your Shopify store and completes the integration process. After that, the two platforms can begin working together, which can help with syncing customer and store information more efficiently. If the page takes a moment to load, that is normal. Just wait for the connection to finish and avoid refreshing unless the process appears stuck for an extended time. Once the app is installed successfully, you can return to HubSpot and confirm that the integration is active. That covers everything you need to know.